This is a brand new 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.